Hello there and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to change your profile name in TikTok. First of all, go to TikTok app from your apps list. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can see the username of this account is showing at the top. To change the profile name, tap on Edit Profile. Tap on the username and now rename it with your desired new username. Then tap on Save at the top right corner. That's it. You have successfully changed your profile name. Now exit from TikTok and then enter again to check whether your username is changed or not. You can see the profile name has been changed to newly entered profile name. That is how you can change your profile name in TikTok. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.